Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wipster for video reviews, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Wipster for video reviews, first, navigate to the Wipster website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Wipster website and log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To begin a video review, click on the Upload button. Select the video file you want to upload from your device. While the video uploads, you can add details such as the project name and description. Once the upload is complete, you will see a preview of your video. To invite reviewers, click on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators in the Invite field. Choose the permission level for each reviewer before sending the invitations. After the invitations are sent, your reviewers will receive an email with a link to access the video. When they click on the link, they'll be directed to the video for review. As reviewers leave comments, you can respond to them directly on the platform. To track feedback, check the notifications section for any new comments or updates. When your review process is complete, you can finalize the video. If needed, use the feedback feature to incorporate suggestions into your final edit. Once satisfied, you can either download the final version or share it directly from Wipster. Congratulations, you are now ready to authenticate and use Wipster for your video reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.